Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I got a interesting email, so I thought I'd do a quick video on these early Marx cars. Now, these are called 3/16 cars. And the email was asking me, why do they call them that? And the reason for that is 3/16 of an inch on this car equals 1 foot on the real locomotive. So if you measure this, it is actually 44 feet long. So the early Marx 3/16 inch cars are scale model trains. They are not toys. And the reason they changed, of course, it was too expensive to make them. And so this is what they replaced them with, was the standard chassis with 4 wheels. Got rid of the small trucks, went to a much larger wheel. But you notice they kept the correct orientation for the couplers. So they actually had to lower the couplers to be able to couple with their original cars. And that is where this design came from. But in any case, these 3/16 inch cars, these are the ones that you want to look for, if you can find them, of course. And they have much smaller wheels. They're made completely different than the later Marx stuff. Much more detail and separate applied pieces. As you see, this entire facade is actually a separate piece that's been bent with tabs onto a flat car. So they were much different. Now I've replaced both the couplers on this. These were originally tilt, and I put tab and slot on them. But anyway, that's where the 3/16 came from. So 3/16 of an inch on this model is 1 foot on the full-size locomotive. Like I said, if you add this up, 3/16 times 40, which is a 40-foot car, comes out to roughly 7.5 inches, which is the length of this car. So the 3/16 are actually scale models. They are not toys. Even though they were sold by Marx as toy trains, they are truly to scale. So I thought it was interesting. And no one knows that, the fact that the early Marx actually were scale model trains. They were not actually toys. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.